You're fucking insane, Bird. Yeah? How fly are you? How fly are you? Yeah, right there. He's like, oh yeah. So, officially, my bird is actually a bat. Yeah. He's what we call the vampire bird of Florida. One of a kind. One of a kind. Dude, Bird, you crazy. You fucking crazy. You crazy. You just hanging? You just hanging? Oh, he's coming. Oh, look at that. He's like, oh. What's up? No big deal. I'm completely and totally the right way. Got something to say, Kiwi? Dude, this is the last time I'm getting my bird stoned. This is some fucked up shit. Book Tendo out.